So one of the things I enjoy most about any delivery is opening up some of the packages. And this delivery that we've had in the last couple of weeks, in fact it was last week, is really exciting because it's got items that I didn't see in person. I bought them from one of our regular suppliers. I've seen them before, but I've never bought them before. So this is a real surprise. So I'm just going to dig in and we'll see what I've bought and let's see what my reactions are. There's 2 boxes here, so let's dig in and see what we've got. So these are chapati plates, and I'll just bring one round here for you to have a look at. They're old plates, so they're stone plates, hand carved with patterns and designs on them. They've got little legs on the bottom, and they're probably about 15 centimeters wide. Aha, so there's one here. You can see it's got the original paint that's worn off over time. Black paint, and then you can see the stone. So it's not quite too sure what kind of stone that is, but let's have a look and see. I can feel the patterns here. So these are really nice. Like I said, we've had them before, so that's a similar pattern again. And these I think are from the south of India, and I think they're chapati plates. Here's one here. There's another one that's got more of the original black paint on it there. So you can see, absolutely delighted with these. Never had them before, and these are kind of perfect for Christmas. So these will be in our Christmas videos. Let's have a look, see what I've got here. There's another one, a little bit of stone chip into the edge there, but that's perfectly fine. It makes it really authentic. We know then that they haven't been reproduced. And let's see what these are. So these are bigger than the ones I showed you just now. Let's have a look. Oh wow, this is a monster. Look at that. So that's a plain plate. I'll just come round and show you this one. So that's pretty big. If I compare that to one of the ones I unpacked just now, you can see the difference in the size. It weighs about 5 times heavier. And it's a beautiful stone, looks like some kind of slate maybe. Softer. It's got very faint outlines. You probably can't see this on the video. That does show some kind of carving. But let's see what else we've got. I'll only unpack a few more. Let's grab a thin one. Nothing broken yet, so let's see what we've got. So that's a really plain one with a kind of like an off-white color. Let's bring out one more. Fingers crossed there's no damage. So that's got a little side compartment there that I think would have been used for floury. So as they were rolling chapatis, they would have had a little bit of flour, I think, there to sprinkle on the chapatis to stop them from sticking to the board. So wow, absolutely amazed. So these will be on our website, these old plates, and I think there's 130 of them, but that's it. We're not going to have any more. So look out for these and a lot more on our website as we head towards Christmas time. And I've got lots of unpacking to do and lots of unwrapping.